In this video, I'll detail how to allow certain contacts to ring on silent on your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you're in the midst of something, or you want to put your iPhone on silent mode, yet you want to receive some calls on your device, then this video is going to show you how you can easily allow certain contacts to ring on your iPhone when your iPhone is on silent mode. So if you're new to this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to do this, all you just need to do is open the phone app on your iPhone, then click on the favorite icon at the bottom left, click on the plus icon, then here you want to select the contact whose incoming calls you want to receive while you put your iPhone on silent mode. So let's say in this case I want to receive my woman incoming calls. Then once you click on that, you see phone, message, call and video. So I want to receive the message, then repeat again, my woman. What else do I want to receive? I want to receive the call, you can see. Then at the same time, my woman, I want to receive a video call, so on WhatsApp or Telegram. Then once you selected that, then add all other contacts whose calls you want to receive while your iPhone is on silent mode to your favorite. Then close this page. Now go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on focus. Then once you click on that, tap do not disturb. Then you should see under do not disturb, you'll be able to customize whose contacts you want to receive here. Then click on allow people. Then under phone calls, come to phone calls here, tap allow calls from. Then make sure you select favorite. If you select everybody is going to be able to call you when you turn on do not disturb on your iPhone. Then tap favorite. Then once you're done, hit the back button. Then that's all you need to do. And then come back and then turn on do not disturb on your iPhone. To do this, just go to your iPhone control center, click on focus and then tap do not disturb. There you go. So with your iPhone on silent mode, the selected contact on the favorite list will be able to call you even while your iPhone is on silent mode. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.